Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. 4G or 5G based mobile proxy is MobileHop. You can get IP from the link in my description. It's very good and high quality proxy. MobileHop. Choose your plan. You can see here hourly $5, weekly, monthly available pack. Mobile is very good and high quality proxy in the world. 2025 per month, and single multi-hop. You can use any proxy you want to. Mobile proxy are the best proxies, and MobileHop you can use any other proxy. Click on the billing portal to make an account. Click here. Okay, fill in the details of your account, name, full name, email, type your city, portal code, password, repassword, all tick mark, and create new account. Verify your email address, obviously. Click on the select button to buy a proxy. Choose your plan, select plan. Okay, click on the plan. Click on the monthly, hourly, 24 hours, 48 hours as your wish. Hourly $9 and continue button. Okay, click on the payment option. Crypto-commerce, cryptocurrency, Coinbase, PayPal, add fund as your wish. Payment method selected and pay payment. I will prefer crypto-commerce, crypto, LTC, BTC, USDT, and tick mark and continue. Select currency, LTC selected, no ad free, 0 ad free, LTC address, and process to the payment. Process to the payment, click here. Give this address, wallet address, and LTC network. Use Binance or Coinbase, any crypto wallet, and pay this LTC. Very easy payment process. Thank you very much for watching video. Thank you. Well.